Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for March and it is Glossybox. Back to the usual monthly design. If you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments. Feel free to flick forward. But before I do that, I just wanted to mention that Glossybox released 2 offers if you subscribe this month. And I'll pop them both down in my description as well as links to the subscription. But the offers are to either receive a free mystery beauty box or to receive a free Tarte palette. There's 2 different codes, so you'll find that down below. So on to the video. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, as well as receiving a PR box, which I'm able to show you that little bit earlier, so then you can gauge whether it's a box for you or not. I also have my own personal subscription and I take out a 12-month subscription. With those boxes, I put them up for giveaways. I've got 2 giveaways running at the moment on Instagram, finishing this evening. So if you haven't entered, then get yourself over to my Instagram page, which is the same, Diaryofabeautygeek, for a chance to enter. With my subscription boxes I pay for myself, they either go for giveaways or I save them for friends and family. Now, I've been subscribing to Glossybox since 2017, so a good couple of years now. It's one of the cheapest subscriptions out there. This is solely for UK. There are other Glossyboxes around the world, but this, what you're watching, is just for the UK. The cost of the box is £13.25 and that includes shipping, and then if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, it brings the cost down. Inside you get around 5 products a month related to anything beauty, and also some freebies. We have got a special freebie in this month's box, and I've had a sneak peek of the contents. They released spoilers yesterday on their socials. It seems to be a really good box this month, but we'll have a proper look in a minute when I open it up. As well as the monthly subscriptions, Glossybox bring out limited edition boxes. They've just recently brought out a teenagers generation Glossybox, which is brilliant. I have actually got it. I haven't got it with me now. I received it yesterday, so I will be doing a video about that, but it's brilliant. It's jam-packed full of products. You'll find that on their website, as well as they will be releasing their Mother's Day limited edition box this Friday, so I'll pop a link up if you want to sign up for the waiting list as well. So I think that's it. If I miss anything out, then please ask away, but you'll find everything down below. So let's get on to open this up and see what's inside. This is what it looks like inside. We used to have a booklet detailing everything about the products inside, but now we have a QR code to scan. And this month's theme is a Glossy Wonderland. Oh, they've got a different sticker as well. It's only a little thing that I noticed, but yeah, it's different to usual. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So I've scanned the QR code and I'm just going to have a look at the back page, which should tell us what next month's sneak peek should be. So in everyone's April box, we'll receive a Sun and Sky Super Bounce mask. I'm not sure of the size. Can you see there? Hopefully you'll be able to see there. Easter time! Easter eggs. They're bringing out a gorgeous looking Easter egg. On sale the 6th of April for £25. See there. Doesn't show the contents. And that's it. Okay then. A little bit of background information about this box. This month we want you to love the person you see through the looking glass, and we want it to be a beautiful adventure when you do. You'll be introduced to pops of colour, be tempted with new skincare discoveries, and be dared to experiment with new beauty techniques. And then it goes on to telling you what's inside. Okay, so first up we've got a makeup product. This is by Alika Beauty. Illuminating, natural, vegan and eco-friendly. Looks like a blush highlighter. The colour is beautiful. It is really pretty. I'm only going to put a tiny bit because I want to see how it spreads. Oh, that is lovely. That is really, really nice. Can you see? It's quite sheer. It just gives a really gorgeous sort of shimmer to the hand. I only put a tiny dot, so obviously, you know, you'd be able to build it up, but it's just given a really pretty pink flush to the skin. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's really pretty with just the right amount of shimmer. Yeah, no, I'm really happy with that. I was looking for the booklet then, but we haven't got the booklet. So what can I tell you about it? This is full size and it retails for £12.80. An all natural highlighter enriched with essential hibiscus oil. This lightweight formula immediately adds a luxurious rosy glow to your skin. Simply apply the subtle pink highlighter onto the high points of your face for a sun-kissed shine. Or if you want to take your base up a gear, try mixing a few drops into your foundation for a subtle finish. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a mood stick. This is by Kinda, a pH changing lipstick. It's the outer packaging. Oh, and it is blue. It is blue. It's a blue lipstick. Okay, I've already got red lips on, so let's try a little bit on my hand here. Ooh, ooh, look, can you see? Hold on. It's turning my hand pink. That's crazy, isn't it? That is crazy. Oh, I really like that. It's quite pink there. I wonder what it'll be actually on my lips. It's going darker. Can you see? This is full size and it retails for £17. This is no ordinary lipstick. This colour shifting lipstick transforms just for you. From shade Never Blue to a pH perfect tone for your lips, changing colour right before your eyes. Bright blue turns to beautiful baby pink. It'll also leave a sheer luxe finish that hydrates your lips from dawn to dusk. I am intrigued with that. I do really like it. Next we've got James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Body, and we've got 100ml here. Now I've tried the face drops, never have I tried this, and I love an overnight body lotion, mask, sleep mask, sorry. Just apply it to your body at night and you wake up with sun-kissed gorgeous skin. Using a dry tanning mitt applied to the body in sections using circular motions, starting at the ankles and working your way up. Ensure the tan has been applied all over using the product's sheen as a guide. Wait until skin is touch dry before dressing. Avoid contact with water for 6 to 8 hours and then rinse, and you can apply 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm not sure if this is full size or not. It's quite small. I'd imagine this would be more like a travel size maybe, but it says here that it's worth £21. It could well be full size. I don't know. Develop a natural looking sun-kissed glow with this tanning essential. Developing through the night during your skin's most receptive hours. It expertly transforms into a light sun-kissed hue that can be built upon a more intense colour. Plus, this fast-drying formula is colourless too, so to keep the bed sheets and PJs clean. So there's that. Next, we've got a Magnetone Wipeout cloth. The amazing microfiber cleansing cloth removes makeup with just warm water. Now, this is nothing new. We've received this many times. Oh, they are so nice. I use them all the time. I've got a pile of them downstairs. Our bathroom is downstairs. Yeah, I do really like them. Me and my daughter use them every single day. But yeah, nothing new for a Glossybox. We've had these before numerous times. But is there a difference with this one in particular? I don't think so. Just that it's grey. They say that you can remove your makeup with just water, but I don't. I cleanse my face using a gel or a cleansing balm, and then I use these then, dampen down, then to remove my cleanser. The cloth retails for £8. Ditch wasteful face wipes for good and instead opt for this Wipeout microfiber cleansing cloth. Super soft, but with the ability to remove even the toughest, most long-wearing makeup with just warm water. You'll wonder what you ever did before owning this must-have too. When used, just wash and reuse thousands of times. So there's that. Now the last 4 items that I've just shown you, everyone will receive in their box. The last item in the box, there's a variation. So you'll either receive what I've got. This is by Blue with Love Creamy Shower Foam, a Cocoa Cocktail. Or you'll receive a Bubble Tea Cosmetics Calming Sweet Floral Fragrance Shower Cream. The Bubble Tea product, hopefully you can see there. That retails for £5. And then what I've got here retails for £3.99. Now, if you do receive what I have, you'll either receive Cocoa Cocktail, what I've got, Tasty Donut, Pink Melon, or Fizzy Berry. I just love fruity smells. And it says, upgrade your shower experience with a luxurious shower from Bilou. There are multiple gorgeous scented options up for grabs, which each have their own skin-loving benefits too. Which will you receive? I want to sniff it. What is it? Cocoa Cocktail. Yeah, it sounds coconut. I'm not going to squirt it because foams, they just go whoosh, come right out. It does smell like coconut though. Oh, I do really like that as well. Really, really happy. And as an added treat, a freebie, we've got a little bar. And I believe there is another option of a freebie as well. You'll either receive this or something else. I can't remember what it is, but I did put up spoilers on my Facebook group yesterday. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this box and the variations, then you're welcome to take a look there, which is the same Diaryofabeautygeek. I've got a mallow and marsh, vanilla marshmallow coated bar. I've tried these before. They're really, really lovely. Yeah. So that's our freebie. So those are all the items inside this month's Glossybox. I'm just going to gather them all up, do a bit of a recap, and then add it all up, and I'll be back. I've got a James Read Gradual Tannin Milk, a Magnetone Wipeout Cleansing Cloth, a Leica Beauty, a Rose Tinted Highlighter, Kinda Beauty pH Change-In Lipstick, and lastly a Blue Cocoa Shower Foam. Now the cost of the box is £13.25 including shipping, and the value comes in at around £62, £63. I really love this box. Looking at all the products, besides the freebie, which I'm going to eat as soon as this video is over, yeah, I am really impressed with this. This is gorgeous. It is subtle. I'm assuming can be buildable quite nicely as well. So I'm looking forward to giving that a go. Yeah, really, really chuffed with this as well. I know not everyone is happy with fake tan products in subscription boxes, and also like false eyelashes and nail polish, etc. But yeah, as been mentioned many times, it is very, very hit and miss, isn't it? So it is a gamble putting things like this in there. So you'll either be like me, love fake tan. I fake tan all the time. Fake tan my face, but in the summertime I always fake tan my body, and I love that. Just an overnight cream. Hopefully it won't be patchy. Can't wait to give that a go. Really happy with that. This is nothing new, as I mentioned. We've received these cloths many, many times. They're a handy household staple for us. And I might actually put that in my little box of holiday minis. So if I'm going away for the night or something, then I can take it with me. I'll probably do that. This lipstick is intriguing. Look at it on my hand. That is super pink now, isn't it? That has really changed colour. So I'm not sure what it'll be like on my lips, but I love the feel of it. It feels really nice and creamy on my hand. So we'll have to see what it is actually like on my lips, whether it's a shade I would wear. And then the shower foam. Love shower foams. Absolutely love shower foams. Coconut scented as well. Yeah, no, really happy. Definitely worth £13.25 this month for me anyway. But as always, I would love to know what you think. What do you think of this box? Are you looking forward to receiving it if you are a subscriber? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? Bearing in mind that if you do take out a subscription, then make sure to check out the codes below if you want a free extra box or a free Tarte palette, which is brilliant. You'll see all the information down below in my description anyway, but yeah, I'd love to know. So please comment down below your thoughts, even if you think, no, it's not great. I'd love to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.